Hello everyone, welcome to LaTeX tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of the MiKTeK software. To start with, go to Google and search for download MiKTeK. In the search results, click on the very first one, which is getting MiKTeK. Here, scroll down, select your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'll select on that. Down here you have a download button. Click on it to start downloading the software. Once the installation is complete, click on it to run the exe file. Here, accept the MiKTeK copying conditions, then click on next. In the next page, you have two options. You can select any one here. I'll let it be default, which is the first one here. Then click next. Here, if you want to change the installation directory, you can do so. Otherwise, just click on next. Now, this is very important. The preferred paper size is A4. Let it be as it is. And in the next option, which is install missing packages on the fly, click on the drop down menu here and select yes. Then click next. In the next window, click on start and the installation would start. Please note, you have to have internet connection throughout the process because the software is now going to download all the extra packages from the internet. Once the installation is done, click on the next here. In the next window, you have an option to check for updates. I'll make sure it is clicked and then I click on next. And finally, I click on the close to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, it's very important that we update the package library of the MiKTeK. And to do so, go to the programs, search for MiKTeK here. In this one, select MiKTeK console. You see the MiKTeK console gives us a warning saying you have not updated the MiKTeK. Click OK for this. And here you have an option to check for updates. Click on it. Okay, now it has completed checking for updates. Now come here, you see in the updates tab, you have 99 new updates. You have to now click on the update now button here. And you can see the update progress starts. Once the update operation completes, you will get a message saying MiKTeK console needs to be closed. Press OK. The command window now opens and it completes the execution of all the necessary operations. Once the command window closes automatically, once again open the MiKTeK console. Here in the menu bar, go to Tasks. And here you have to click on both Refresh File Name Database as well as Refresh Font Map Files. I'll start with the first one here. That is complete. Now once again go to Tasks and now click on Refresh Font Map Files. Now you can close this window. Right. That completes the installation of the latest version of the MiKTeK software. If you found this video to be informative, kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more information and LaTeX tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.